Hey y'all, Angie here. Today I'm going to tell you about the spa steps that I received here in exchange for a review. This video is sponsored, but all opinions reflected are entirely my own. Straight out of the box, this thing is super easy to assemble. It comes in 5 pieces, 2 steps, 2 supports, and a cross support on the back side. You've got 10 bolts and an Allen wrench. This took me maybe 10 minutes to assemble. It's no trouble at all to assemble. These steps are wood grained, look-alike plastic. They support up to 500 pounds. I jumped on these, no flex, no bow. This is fade resistant, weather resistant material, so it's going to last you a good long time outside. These have a really good weight to them. I would put them at probably 30, 35 pounds. They don't scoot very easily. They don't shuffle out of the way. They're nice and solid, and you'd have to give them a pretty good shake to get them to move much at all. And that's just going to lend more towards the stability and durability of the steps. They do also come with pre-drilled holes. Very easy to assemble. The bolt slides right up in there. These steps also have slats in between each of these little boards, and this is going to allow water to drain through and not sit on the surface up here. Also, just to add to the support features, they put in an extra support on the front and back of each step. Size-wise, these steps are about 17 inches tall on the back, and width-wise, they're about 23.5 inches. So a little bit smaller than the steps that we normally use, but plenty of height to get into our 6-person hot tub. Based on my limited use of these, I would absolutely say this is going to be a durable product. I like the plastic material here, but it looks like wood. The black goes well with my hot tub, and the weight of this is going to keep it from shifting around when you're getting in and out. This arrives in 5 pieces with 10 bolts. You start with your 2 supports, lay your first step across the top. Go ahead and line up your holes and insert your first bolt. I finger tightened all of these and then came back and tightened with an Allen wrench. After you get your first step on, you go ahead and put your second one and follow the same directions as you did with the first. Line up your screw holes, finger tighten your bolts, and then come back with your Allen wrench and tighten these up. Peel off the plastic protective coating. The last step in the assembly is to put on the back support, line up your screw holes, finger tighten, and then come back with your Allen wrench. After this, you're ready to go use them. I got these steps in place and decided to give them a little test drive. Decided I would step on them, give them a good bounce, and even jump up and down on the top step. And there was no flex, no bow, or anything in these. For a more eye-level view, you can see here that once I step on these do not bow in the center at all. The cross supports that they have on these steps really do work.